We are developing an autonomous robot that can navigate around a course and put out a fire in the form of a candle all autonomously. So basically what that means is its navigation and set commands are on board. So once you put the robot in the course, it does, its thing without any interaction from the rest of the team.
I was interested in more the construction of the robot, not so much the programming, but the mechanical building of the robot.
Each one of us has different strengths in what we're doing. I've got a lot of kind of the programming computer background, but Jed, Pat, and Matt all have more of the, I guess, mechanical, civil, working with stuff like that, and then Joey's got a very strong electronics background.
Most of us kind of have our own little role that we do, and then sometimes we'll get together in teams of 2 or 3, and sometimes we'll have to do certain things as a whole, like writing the papers and documentation and all that.
I learned a lot about microcontrollers, microprocessors, how they interact with the different parts, being the extinguisher, the drivetrain, how it actually makes the wheels turn, and sensory technology, all different kinds of things like that. So it's really broadened my horizons on robotics in general.
And this has all just come from the last 4 years of us slowly finding our niches in the department.
If we're in another program, we'd have to have someone who's mechanical that could build the frame of the robot and things like that, know all the materials. Then we'd have to have someone else who knows the circuitry, then someone else from a programming thing. So instead of having a CIS major, an architectural engineer, mechanical engineer, we just have 4 engineers from JMU, and we know all we need to know about everything to get the groundwork laid.
Not necessarily just focused on one aspect of engineering, but we've kind of been exposed to a broad variety, so we feel that we can kind of tackle any problem we're given.
The design class is definitely focused on something that a lot of schools miss, and that's the all-encompassing design of everything that's made. I feel like other programs just kind of tell you how to make stuff without actually thinking about the processes that come before it.
Originally I wanted to be a mechanical engineer, and then after circuits I started to get really interested in that, so now I kind of like mechanical and electrical engineering. If I had gone straight into a mechanical department, there's no way I would have been introduced to both aspects, at least in the undergraduate curriculum.
And being able to do this whole general program has allowed me to explore a little bit of each, see what I like, see what I don't like, find where my strengths are, and make something of it.
Technology being the way it is, everything's constantly changing. So coming out of here, I'm not going to use any of the same programs I've used in college, but being able to work and change and adapt to those means I'm ready for whatever they have. So like whatever business I'm in, I can adapt to that and know exactly what I'm doing.
Looking at things with sustainability, we only have a finite number of resources, whether it be people, whether it be actual raw materials. And if we don't learn how to use these more efficiently, they're eventually going to be gone.